Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include leather seats, rear view camera, tinted glass, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2020 Q5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.